did some trial prep today with clients. I was in the conference room and we were looking at the petition. And this particular petition has the involvement of allegations. So the allegations in the written petition are that my clients did something to another person. And it's not as specific as a push, a shove, a kick, a bite. It has general allegations of harassment, aggravated harassment, and then some other things. So this is in a larger petition. There's a request for an order of protection within the larger document, right? Just to set the stage. So how do you fight against that? How do you challenge that? Well, you have to challenge the content itself, and you have to challenge the person that's putting that forth. So if they said, they described activities or actions that are of maybe a repetitive nature. So this person participated in, the allegation is participated in harassing behavior. Well, what is the behavior? When did the behavior occur? What date? What time? Day or night? How do you know that it was that day or time? What specific memory can you rely on? So we challenge the actual, the allegations, and then we challenge the person and their credibility, and whether they were biased, whether they're advancing an agenda by making these allegations. And if the person resolutely stays with their allegations, and from the perspective of my client, the allegations are a fabrication. But if someone stays committed to a fabricated allegation, well, then you have a difficult time. Right? We hope that a person would swear or affirm to tell the truth. It doesn't always happen. Right? If I allege that you had this terrible behavior towards me, and the court believes it, well, it might help me advance my position somewhere else. So that's where you hear the phrase, he said, or she said, or depending on the circumstance. That's a little different than we both observe an event and then describe it differently. But, and it's not in this case, but if I say that you pushed me today at 2 p.m., you pushed me, and you in fact didn't push me, unless you could demonstrate that you and I weren't together at 2 p.m., you were out of town or out of state or at a job with a video camera on you, a surveillance system, it becomes very difficult to challenge one person's word against another. Like everything else, preparation, thoughtfulness, and determining both the specifics and then the larger context. If you need help, reach out.